That's the key thing, knowing that you're going to be around managing just the Fernley Hills territory now, where we just bring it back a little bit for you. It's where franchisees from within that general region, so Northside Brisbane in this case, Lenny's a part of that cell group. Whoever buys the Everton Park territory would also be part of the cell, because you guys are using WhatsApp as a sort of closed group. We've got our A Hubby Wide Franchise Tech Talk on Facebook. Just explain how the WhatsApp works and maybe how the Facebook Tech Talk page works.
Yeah, we've got a WhatsApp group that's just for our cell group. And all it is if somebody has a question, they might need help with something, have never done something before, or need to find a supplier that they don't know where to look. So put it out there on the WhatsApp group. The questions get answered pretty quickly. The A Hubby, the Facebook page, that's always good. It's a national thing, so a lot of guys put things on there that have asked a question. It'll get answered by 30 hubbies in about 5 minutes. So it's a useful tool as well.